words I wasn't really sure I was ever gonna say. I was like accustomed to saying, you know, microgreens. I was accustomed to saying micro cilantro, micro basil. But now the new thing to 2024, right, is mini herbs. So they're a little bit bigger, a little bit more flavor profile, a little more beautiful. This is sage, so lovely. Um, they're very tender, but a little bit more matured in the flavor. Delicious. And they come living in the grocery store now. So you don't have to just, this is Thai basil. I mean, can you even look at this? It's so stunning. It's beautiful. Like all these little minis are falling, but like, I just love how beautiful this is. And the fragrance is just like perfume. What I love about them is that they're tender and they have a really beautiful, delicate, elegant flavor profile in the cocktails. They work so good. Am I gonna cook a stock pot of chicken noodle soup with this? No, I'm not. But am I gonna garnish my next cocktail with it? Absolutely. It's that thing that you were missing. Like sometimes you have like a sprig of rosemary in a drink and it like pokes you in the face and you're drinking it. This is so soft and malleable. It's like a baby, but like the flavor is so great and it's alive, right? So you can actually put it on your bar and keep it or put it together and, you know, use it as you want. But like that's the new thing, right? So we're not gonna say, any more of the micro, it's the mini herb. So cheers.